How's it going? I hope everyone's having a great year so far. Today is a very special day. The reason is that precisely 2 years ago, I released the very first video on this channel, and the idea that I had to make videos on finance to hopefully educate and help other investors has grown far bigger than I would have ever thought possible. And that's why I want to start by saying thank you to everyone that has supported me thus far, and I promise to continue delivering the best finance content on YouTube. That's why today I've prepared a presentation of sorts. Created in the style of a full year earnings report, there's a PDF linked in the description below if you want to follow along. Our first slide today is performance, and oh boy, what a year it has been. My portfolio managed to weather the storm in markets relatively well, only falling 5.5%. The other major indexes did not fare so well, however, with the S&P 500 falling 20% and the Nasdaq falling over 30%. Broad market investors didn't have a great year. Of course, this market performance is verified through common stock, but if you want to see my full portfolio and how I decide what goes into it, along with a breakdown of how I am beating the indexes, you can check out the video above. With that said, let's move on to the growth of everything. Starting out with this YouTube channel. In 2022, this channel got a mind-blowing 43,000 views in just this last year. Along with that, we added 640 new subscribers, which is actually less than last year. That being said, I'm not too worried about the follower count, as I think it's mostly irrelevant. And finally, in the interest of full transparency, I made $0 off this channel in 2022. Despite hitting 1,000 subscribers, I've yet to hit the other requirement of 4,000 watch hours in a 365-day period. I would like to reach that target this year, though. Moving on, we have another social media platform I'm somewhat active on, Twitter. The audience growth over there looks impressive, but I also started out with only about 25 followers, so it's not super hard to grow fairly quickly. Third, we have the newest social media, Common Stock, where I somehow managed to garner over 500 followers since March when I joined. By far, Common Stock has been my favorite place to post some long-form write-ups on companies and general market thoughts this past year. That leads us to this last section, which is the launch of my new project, Hidden Asset Research. You can sign up through the link in the description and get my thoughts on markets, as well as more long-form company write-ups delivered directly to your email inbox. Hidden Assets is a project a long time in the making, and I'm super excited as it joins the larger umbrella of content. Again, if you want to get an in-depth understanding of some of the best companies on the market and be able to make better investing decisions, be sure to sign up with the link below. And the last thing I want to cover is some of the goals for this upcoming year. Simply put, I want to double down on what's working and introduce more projects throughout the year. That is heavily focusing on YouTube and hidden asset research. Hopefully seeing the audience continue to grow, as well as joining the YouTube Partner Program in the future. I also plan to be more active on Twitter and Common Stock, growing the base there as well. All in all, I think 2022 was a phenomenal year, and I foresee 2023 being even better. Again, I want to thank everyone for watching and supporting this channel. Even the relatively small audience I have here is far bigger than I thought I was ever capable of achieving, and for that, I am eternally grateful. With that, I hope you all have a great year, and I will see all of you next time on Dollars and Cents.